Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi Specialista Espresso machine. The machine comes with many problems, and so it needs like to unclog the grinder. So I did unclog it and clean it up, then calibrate it again. And the knob here was broken. So I get the knob kit to replace it, but it didn't work with me, so I need to replace the whole face on here, but I didn't charge the customer for the rest because like it was only the knob in the estimate. So let's go ahead and test it and make espresso shot in it. And yeah, forget about the tune-up. So I did the tune-up for the whole machine, descale it, and replace the roof head gasket. The old one was broken and used to leak from all around the portafilter. Whereas this is the old gasket. I replace it with the newer one. So we need to do espresso. Okay. It needs a little bit, and it was like deep cleaning for the steam ones. This is green machine, it's really silent, but it gives a really great shot with thick crema. There you go. So look how this is a great shot. And it's very tasty too. Let's test the steamer. Needs a little bit of time to get hot. That's perfect. Thank you for watching.